guys, happy Halloween. I know I just did like a Halloween video, but today is actually Halloween and I'm just getting ready. I'm just gonna hang out with my boyfriend and one of my best friends. So yeah, not much going on, but I thought it'd just be fun to do a little Halloween vlog still. Also, I have lightning strips in, so that's why I sound like I have a lisp. We're just gonna start doing makeup. I'm being a Playboy bunny, so classic. My boyfriend did not want to be Hugh Hefner. Really pissed about that. He was being like a, honestly, I don't even know. I'll find out later. But yeah, I just know my Instagram is gonna look cute. I just hope I get a good picture out of tonight, you know? Maybe eat some candy. Actually, I went to this drive-in thing last night.
Wait, this is so cute.
And they gave us so much candy, so I'm not missing out on any Halloween candy, thank God. That's like the best part of Halloween. I carved a pumpkin today. Actually, I carved 2 pumpkins yesterday. I carved 2 pumpkins yesterday, 1 today. I did a little kitty cat today, and then yesterday I did like just regular skeleton face. I'm just priming my face with rose water, setting spray, and toner. Comment down below what you guys' favorite Halloween candy is. Mine are dots. I love dots. And then yeah, so yesterday I did a little barbecue at my boyfriend's house just with his parents and him, and then we carved pumpkins, and then after we went to this driving thing with my family, so that was really cute. And today I just carved pumpkins with Amanda and Nathaniel. This is crazy. This is like the first year of Halloween that no one's like doing anything. I'm just using Tape Shape. You guys like know my basic face makeup. Honestly, I'm just gonna do a regular makeup look, and then my costume is really the highlight. Last year on Halloween, I had a big Halloween party and I actually vlogged it, so I'll leave that in the links below. You guys can watch that and watch me actually have a really fun Halloween. I mean, I think this year will be fun, even though I'm not really doing anything. Sometimes when you have lower expectations, you get a higher outcome, but I don't know. Okay, wait, I need to text Kylie. Now I'm just baking it with some powder. My favorite part of today, I was just at lunch and I was scrolling through Instagram and everyone just posted like Halloween costumes. That's honestly like my favorite part, just seeing what everyone dresses up as. Because I feel like obviously I love Christmas, but Halloween is definitely a close second because it's so fun just like dressing up. Like it's like such a random thing that you can go like as crazy as you want and like it's normal, which I love because I love fashion and makeup and just everything like that. So seeing everyone's Halloween costumes, like, oh, it's so fun. My little sister and her friend are being fairies, so I did like their fairy makeup using like the James Charles palette, like the purple and the blues, and it was so pretty. And then it made me kind of want to be a fairy because I want to do like fun makeup, but my costume is more like sultry, sexy, so I mean, I hope it's sexy. I'm really scared because the sun's going down and I definitely wanted a picture in my outfit. I don't really want no friend. I've been biting my lips so much for some reason that like my lips are just chapped and it's kind of gross, and I don't want to put on lipstick. Oh shoot, I was gonna film a TikTok, dang it. Okay, I know on camera it looks like, you know, I can see what I'm doing, but it is so dark. Like, I feel like I'm doing my makeup in the dark. But I'd rather do my makeup in the dark than turn on my lights because they're like orange. Also, sorry I'm not talking a lot. I'm literally just doing like the most basic makeup. I'm really just excited to show you my outfit. Oh my god, I just hit pan on my favorite color in this palette. Okay, it's completely dark, so I just need to turn on my lights. How ugly is this lighting? I'm gonna try to do fake eyelashes. All I can say is wish me luck. I'm using these. All right, I'm gonna try to make a TikTok.
In girl world, Halloween is the one night a year when a girl can dress like a total slut and no other girls can say anything about it. The hardcore girls just wear lingerie and some form of animal ears.
Trap, bunny, bubbles. I wanna live in a mansion. Playboy bunny, what's happening?
Guys, so sorry I've been crying a lot. I never filmed like an end to this video or really anything else, so sorry that it was so short. I just wanted to include it because it's like fun memories. Also, if you guys are wondering, I just collected different pieces for my costume. The accessories were from like Party City, the top was from Pretty Little Thing, and then the little velvet shorts were from Etsy. And then I just wore fishnets and boots. So yeah, I love you guys. Hope you had a fun, happy, and safe Halloween, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.